I'm Mohammed Yusuf Ali Sher, and this is Praxis Zero. Most learning platform stops at explanation, video, or quizzes. Praxis Zero connects theory with practical learning. A learner can ask a question naturally without manually selecting a subject. The local AI tutor detects the subject and concept, provides a clear explanation, and preserves the context for follow-up questions. In this example, I ask how a small clothing brand can choose the right audience, price, and marketing channel to earn profit. I then ask what could happen if the price is too high, and the tutor answers within the same lesson context. After understanding the theory, the learner can enter a practical experience. Praxis Zero is designed as a universal learning system. Different concepts can eventually connect to suitable format, such as the simulations, virtual laboratories, strategy environments, investigations, puzzles, and interactive models. For this submission, I developed one working prototype, a Unity WebGL business and marketing storefront simulator. The simulator is not yet a fully polished final game, but its core learning flow works. The learner selects an audience, set a price, choose a marketing channel, and plans stock and campaign spending. In this verified run, the learner selected a student and young professional, set the price at 6,500 rupees, choose social video, and use a balanced launch plan. The simulation sold ad hoodies, generated 52,000 rupees in revenue and 18,000 rupees in profit, and increased brand trust from 50 to 74. This result then returned to the original tutor conversion as learning evidence. I developed Praxis Zero using Codex with GPT 5.6. GPT 5.6 supported product reasoning, architecture validation, and debugging strategy. Codex implemented and repaired the Next.js tutor, Unity WebGL integration, evidence flow testing, and production builds. The live tutor runs locally through Olama using Queen QN3 for or be instruct. Access Zero is an early but working step toward universal practical learning. Thank you.